South Korea reported over 1,700 new coronavirus cases today, the figure rising as it usually does as we get later in the week, and it reflects more testing. In the last week of July, the more transmissible Delta variant was accounting for more than 60% of the cases, compared to a month earlier when it was just 10%. The government will announce on Friday whether the distancing rules will be changed, but the ban on more than 2 people gathering after 6 p.m. is not expected to change. Choi Min-jung reports.
South Korea on Wednesday reported 1,725 new COVID-19 cases, up by more than 500 from the day before. Of Wednesday's cases, all but 61 were locally transmitted. Non-capital regions reported almost 630 cases, the highest number since the fourth wave broke out. This comes as more people are traveling across the nation during the summer vacation period.
The amount of people moving in the metropolitan area increased by 0.8% from the previous week, so there is no significant change. However, it is serious outside the capital as the number of people moving increased by 6.4%. These areas have been seeing an increase for the third week in a row.
Authorities are also voicing concerns over the highly transmissible Delta variant. In the last week of July, the Delta variant was detected in 62% of all cases. This is up by more than 13% compared to the week before. It is also a huge jump compared to the last week of June, when it only accounted for 10% of cases. Making matters worse, the Delta Plus variant has been detected in 2 cases in the country so far. In light of this, the government on Friday will be announcing any changes to social distancing restrictions, which will be effective from next week. Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum on Wednesday said the government will monitor the situation closely for the next 2 days before deciding on whether to readjust the current restriction levels. The government added there is no plan to change the ban on gatherings of more than 2 people after 6 p.m. under the highest level 4. Currently, the Greater Seoul area is under the strictest level, while most areas outside the capital are under level 3. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.